Hey Disney, start the magic.
Moving pictures. Hello there, moving pictures.
What's up, Doc? I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
Hey Blaire,
What?
can you tell everybody hello and welcome?
Hi, welcome
Welcome to the Mouse Diva channel. Where are we going?
to Disney World.
To Disney World. So it is Tuesday, October 28th, 2025. It is now 5:15 and we are 15 minutes late because of her. She did have to work till 5 o'clock. But, you know, 15 minutes, whatever. Let's hit the road.
And then we're gonna be a long time in the car.
We are going to be a long time in the car. Where are we going first, though?
The hotel.
We have to go to a hotel and spend the night. And then tomorrow, we will be where?
At Disney World?
At Disney World.
Wait, are we gonna sleep in there?
Oh, we're going to sleep in here? Well, we were, but your mom wouldn't let us. So now we're going to a hotel. What you got there, Blaire? Uh-huh. Same thing as me. And it's matching my outfit. And just like that, it is 11:30 at night. We are at a Holiday Inn Express in Brunswick, Georgia, just past the Buc-ee's, the brand new Buc-ee's exit. Are you excited about being in a hotel room? Would you like to show us the room?
Look right there.
Look right there, and what is that?
It's a new bed.
It's a new bed? Okay. All right. So she woke up about 15 minutes ago. All right. And the next time you see us, it's going to be morning. Good morning, everyone. It is just before 7 o'clock. I hear an alarm. Car alarm, I guess. Anyway. And we're gonna go get some breakfast, which is included in our hotel stay. Yeah, gotta be quiet. All right, lots of things to choose from. We got yogurt in there, breads, we got biscuits, eggs, omelets, sausage is in there. We have cinnamon rolls. Wow, they have like passion guava juice, and it is really good.
This is making me dance.
It's making you dance. Langley says she's not a fan of the boots. What do you think about my boots and my hat?
No, it looks like a cowgirl.
I look like a cowgirl. Cool.
A cowgirl.
I'm a cowgirl. I'm a cowgirl.
So silly.
Also, let's admire the Loungefly. It is 7:44 and we are off to Buc-ee's in St. Augustine because Langley has a conference call.
And I got some ears.
Yeah, I see you have ears.
Wow.
Yeah.
Water. You know what that? Wait, let me take a picture. Time to get tiny. It's time to get tiny. Up in the middle. Up in the right. Hold him, sand and hold on tight.
9:29 a.m. We have reached Florida. All right, 9:24. We've made it to Buc-ee's. Blaire and I are headed in. Langley is staying in the vehicle for her 9:30 conference call. What is he?
A Santa.
You like him, huh? Yeah. Guys, they have ice cream sandwiches now. Nope, we're not getting ice cream or a popsicle right now. $3.28 from the ice cream sandwich. You found chopsticks? So you have the choice of a unicorn or a dinosaur on the chopsticks. Guys, Blaire's vlogging, but look, I'm thinking that they need this in an adult size because look at that. It will match the boots. What do y'all think?
Good.
This one says, Jesus loves me, this I know. And this is your size. Which one do you like the best?
The heart.
The Jesus loves me? That's the best? Ah. Look, it's coming. What? Is she making a quesadilla? Is that so cool? I don't think I've ever seen this before. Look, there it goes. Boom.
Here it goes.
Oh, what do you see? Rudolph on the pants. Here. GrandDiva got you some of these pajamas. Go this way. What are we looking at? Oh, it's a nutcracker.
It's also a big one. I really want to take a picture.
You want to take a picture? All right, I'm petting him. Hi, Buc-ee. She wanted to pet him. Okay, I'll hold. Just lean over. I gotcha. Lean, I gotcha. Good job.
Granny, I'm hungry. You got candy and then it just falls out to there.
This is actually pretty interesting. Yeah, how they, I don't know if like they come in like this, if they're packing them up or what's going on. I hope this pecan chicken salad croissant is worth the $9 that I just paid. All right, this is good. I would get it again. It is 11:46 and we've stopped at the last rest area right before you get into Orlando. Because you know, we never know what traffic's going to be like. And this is the first time I've seen these signs. So when the kids were younger and we'd come, they knew that once they saw that building right there that we were close. And then you guys would be so excited. Right, Langley? Hey, Blaire, can you sing your Disney World song? Yes. Sing it.
We're going to Disney World. Was it on the right or the left?
It was on the right.
But which way is the right again?
The hand you write with.
This one?
That's your right. And the other side's your left.
But it wasn't left, it was right?
Yeah.
But where's the castle we're going to sleep in?
Well, it's like a log cabin castle, but we're going to go to Disney.
There's a hot air balloon again! Why is it following us?
I think we're following it. Are you so excited?
Yes. Wait. They got some things on it. I know what those are with.
You know what? We never go
Elsa.
to the orange garage. We'll just go to the orange garage. That way we don't have to make a U-turn for the lime.
I know who our skills are.
have arrived at Disney Springs. Wow, is that neat?
Hey, let's walk this way. This party will rock every minute stolen. If you wanna be my midnight mover, you blow my mind. And
Why is this $50? Oh, he makes noise? Even with my 20% off discount, I don't want to pay that much. Shucks. These are so cute, but they're $25.
feeling alone, kinda misty. Waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire.
So I was forced to slow down here at the World of Disney because Langley's fixing Blaire's earring, and I've never noticed these on the wall. Gotta slow down. Blaire just put in her order here at Starbucks. She wants a cake pop. And look, she asked what the name was, and Blaire said, Blaire. So I've actually never been in this Starbucks. It's across from Disney Style. Normally we just go to the outside one, outside of World of Disney. This is really pretty. Blaire's water. Okay, oh, be careful. Look, you got a smiley face on it. Okay, take it. One of the reasons we went to Disney Springs was because since I'm an annual pass holder, I get the photo pass, and I wanted to get some pictures of us taking. I have no idea what Blaire's doing with her hands here. All right, we got our Starbucks. We're heading out. All right, so it is 2:13. Look, Blaire, see the gates? So this is actually the first time Langley or Blaire has stayed at the Wilderness Lodge. Look how big it is. What do you think? Is it so big? So Blaire, I have a surprise for us. Oh, it's for me and you and your mommy.
What do you think of this?
What do you think of all of these? Isn't that so neat? It's bigger than you, huh?
Here, do you want to carry my drinks and I'll get it?
Yeah, it's kind of big. Here we go.
Granny, what's in there?
They have redone this.
Granny!
What is it? Wow. Yeah. Got some new artwork. What do you see out there? And then, wow.
Wow, look! A table!
I really like like the arrow, the leather. They're bringing in the elements. We have a leaf. Look at that. Aren't they kind of cool? So lots of drawer space. This cart is a lifesaver, guys. Y'all need one of these. We would have had to make so many trips.
Mom, I don't know.
Little kitchenette with the refrigerator, microwave. We have all the cups and bowls and stuff we'll need. Toaster. And then I always like this. This pulls out. Little pantry. And we have our silverware, but it's plastic. Oh, would you like to show them the closet? With the safe, extra pillow and blanket, the iron, and ironing board. All right, would you like to show them the bathroom? We got full-length mirror. All right. Hi, guys. What do you think of this room? I do like it, she said. I like the cubby here. And you've got the rain head, shower up there, little totem pole art, pocket door closes.
Play music. Alexa, play music.
That's not how it works.
Hey Disney. Start the magic. Hey Disney, start the magic.
Push that button first. Go like, oh, wait a minute. Did it work? Getting started.
Hi, I'm Margaret, and I'm excited to introduce you to our in-room interactive experience, Hey Disney. I'll show you some of the ways Hey Disney can help you experience more magic during your stay, plus some tips to help along.
Okay, that's a hit. She really loves that. So anyway, this actually has more storage. If I can remember how to open it. There we go. More storage, and I love that it makes a table. And this bed actually comes down. Oh my gosh, we're looking up. The bus is here waiting for us.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.